I'm Dennis Meyer, President of Truck Service. We are an independent commercial parts and service company operating 8 service locations in 3 states, Indiana, Ohio, and Florida. Our roots date back to the 1930s. This long history of stability and experience makes us uniquely qualified to handle almost any repair need that may come across. Some of the unique things we can do as a result of this long history are custom manufacturing of spring and suspension parts, custom fabrication of tubes and hoses, specialty brake lining, installation and repair of air conditioning and automatic lubrication systems, in addition to our regular services of suspension, brakes, front-end alignment, and general repair. Our culture is one that's based on trust and building relationships. Our first core value is to treat all customers and team members with respect, compassion, and professionalism at all times. We believe in treating our customers' vehicles and their needs as if they were our own. If we do this consistently, we will build a relationship of trust and reliability. Thank you for your interest in Truck Service and for the opportunity to provide your vehicle parts and service needs. At Truck Service, we are not just interested but committed.